The role of bees in our society is to pollinate. If we don't have pollinators, we won't have the foods we have. Some people don't like seeing bees around and don't want to be stung, but we really need them as part of our whole ecosystem. They're a very important part of our food production and food security. 2 out of 3 mouthfuls that we eat each day are often pollinated by bees. I'm Julie Leal and you're joining me at my home in Curl. I'm a school teacher and a Wheen Bee Foundation ambassador. My passion for bees started when I was young. We had a farm and another man used to bring his beehives onto our property. So we'd go down and have a look at them with my father and just used to like seeing them come and go. And in the last few years, I've become more interested and I thought, well, I'll get a hive and see how it goes. People often have questions and fears around bees, and I help manage those and comfort them that they're a part of our community. We're one of the few countries in the world that doesn't have a varroa mite, and we're really ensuring we don't get that because that will wipe out at least half our populations. It's very serious. So Department of Primary Industry are doing everything they can to halt the progress of that entering our country. But we've really got to ensure we have enough bees to pollinate the foods we have as a growing population. As the insect populations have declined in general, and that's pollinators, wasps, ants, native bees, flies, all their numbers are down, and we really need to ensure we do as much as we can to keep habitat for those insects. Keeping logs and bits of pieces and debris in the garden helps pollinators to live in these, so it's really good not to be too tidy and not to get rid of weeds. Weeds are really great because they provide a bigger biodiversity for the bees, different sources. So weeds are they're actually our friend, and it indicates healthy soil. Having a variety of plants, not a monoplane, is not great for them. They need a variety. So that's really something we can do. Don't spray. Don't use Roundup or insecticides in the home or outside also. They're all important creatures, and even if you have bugs inside, they're doing a job of getting rid of other little bugs we might not be able to see. It's great to have a water source nearby. They like dirty water. I keep an old pot planter with some stones and a bit of sand so they have a bit of a beach that they can land on and walk in. It is really important that we create environments for bees to thrive.